Welcome friends to my channel Management Redesigned Learn to Win. Friends, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. Friends, this video talks about the basic terms of primary market. There are many things that you should know in the primary market and we are going to discuss it. Companies used to issue shares, and when they issue share, it is known as IPO, that is initial public offering. The number of bid received, when the number of bid received is less than the shares offered by the company, is a situation of undersubscription. It is a situation where you receive less number of applications than that of the shares offered. Maybe the quality of the company is not so good and the investors don't feel confident about the company. And that is why they don't apply in large number. The second term is oversubscription. Oversubscription is a situation where number of bid received is actually more than the number of shares offered by the company. So it is a situation when investors, show interest in the company. Maybe the quality of the company and the future prospect of the company, business sustainability of the company is more as far as the investors are concerned. And that is why they apply in more numbers. It is a situation of oversubscription. The next term is fixed price IPO. It is a situation where there is no price band. You used to see the price band like this, 220 to 230, between which you have to apply. But in fixed price IPO, there is no band like this. There is only a fixed price like 225 on which you have to apply for shares. Okay, so there is only one price. The next term is related to the price band of IPO. The last term that we discussed was price band, and there was no price band, fixed price IPO, and this is the price band in which there is a range like 150 to 160. Investors have to select between the price range. Like in this example, I have taken the 150 to 160, and normally investors select this one, the higher one, and they get the shares. For example, the price band of 150 to 160 that I already quoted you, and normally what happens that the investors select this one so that they can get their chance of getting the shares is maximum. So friends, I hope that the basic terms that I discussed related to the primary market or the IPO is understood to you. And if you like this video, kindly share it to others so that they can also get the knowledge on IPO basic terms. Subscribe to my channels as well. Thank you so much, friends.